There are some stages that music used to go through before it was released. Number one, that's the stage where the composer composes the song on his own and completes the song. He could sing the song from first verse up to the end of the song. Stage number two, you bring the song to the band and rehearse the song as a band. The lead guitarist will contribute his own guitar lines, the bass player will contribute his bass lines. You create the intros, the bridges, the outros, and you work as a team and polish the song until everybody is satisfied. And then level number three is when you go for shows. You start playing the song during shows. That's when you will judge whether the tempo is too slow or it's too fast. That's when you will judge the mood of the song by the reaction of the crowd. And you pick a lot of notes from the way the crowd is reacting to the song. Or if the producer is going to add some ideas to the songs, just minimal, because the majority of the ideas will have been done already. So because of that, the music was released yato machua yanato simba. But these days, the artists come to the studio without the band, and then usually they come with just the chorus or just fragments of the song. You hear somebody saying, I've got 200 songs, I've got 20 songs, but if you ask them to sing, they can't even finish a single song. And then the producer alone is going to play the bass, he's going to program the drums, he's going to play the lead guitar, he's going to play the rhythm guitar on his own without any ideas from everybody else. So according to me, that's a formula that's not conducive for organic music. It might work for hip-hop, it might work for dancehall, it might work for Niger music, it might work for amapiano, but for organic music it doesn't work.